I understand there's something called bro code, but you see me, I'm a woman. You do something wrong to me, I will not protect you as a man. Sawa. You do something wrong to little children, girls, boys, your cousins, your aunties, I will not keep quiet. You see me, I'm a woman. Unahangaisha watoto wa dada yako ukiwaibia mashamba na utaki wa kustaki. You see me, I'm a woman. Sawa, I will talk. You rape little children and you want to be protected. No, you see me, I'm a woman. I will talk. Sawa. Unakandamiza mke wako, mimi kama mke wako, na unaamua kunikandamiza na nisiongee. Bro, I will not protect you. I'm a woman. The bro code does not work with me simply because I am a woman. So next time you want me to protect you as a man or your fellow men, please remember that I am a woman. Thank you.